I ordered another ThrillSeekers seat cover for my 2024 Honda CRF-300L. This is a time warp video of me popping all these staples out. Just used a little flathead screwdriver, some needle nose, pulled all them staples. Funny thing is, after I get all the staples out, started test fitting the new cover and thought I was crazy because there's just no way it was pulling over. You can see here it doesn't get close to covering the sides. So reached out to ThrillSeekers. Turns out they actually sent me the wrong template. They were super cool about it. I had a new seat cover with the right measurements, I think within like 3-4 days. So great customer service. The sticking material that this is made out of is awesome. I'm not like a stunt guy or anything, but I imagine it would keep you absolutely glued to your seat during wheelies and such. This one was a little harder to do than the E-Ride Pro seat, just with the shape and the way you had to pull everything in different directions to really stretch it over. All in all, I think it came out okay. If you really look hard at the back, you can see a little fold over that is kind of noticeable from standing on the right side, looking straight kind of under the seat, but not a big deal for me. I love the color pattern, love the material. I've ridden it a couple times and so far it seems awesome. So thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. And if I can do this, anybody can do it. Thanks.
Switch it up. Come again.
Bike problems.